Have you ever wondered what exactly is cybersecurity?
What is cybersecurity? The onset of digitalization era has opened up a lot of opportunities for everyone, especially business and enterprises. From mobile banking to online shopping to reading news and books, everything is just one click away. But it has been rightly said that everything comes at a price. The more you connect to digital assets, the higher the risk of security vulnerabilities for your sensitive and confidential data. Now the question arises, how are companies securing this critical data and combating these threats? The answer is cybersecurity. So, what is cybersecurity? Technically, cybersecurity is the body of technologies, processes, and practices designed to protect networks, computers, programs, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access or misuse of authorized assets. The goal of cybersecurity is to reduce the risk of cyber attacks and protect organizations and individuals from the intentional and unintentional exploitation of security weaknesses in systems, networks, and technologies. You loved a product on Amazon and plan to buy it. On your way to checkout, you are given options to pay through your debit or credit card or UPI. With millions of users sharing such sensitive information over the platform, ever wondered how Amazon tries to secure this information? How do Facebook and Google also manage to secure confidential information of its millions of users? Well, from renewed privacy policies to security-focused patents to use of AI for data security, each company is expanding its focus on data protection to encourage user trust. With the increasing advancements in the digital world, cybersecurity threats will keep getting more complex as hackers learn to adapt to security strategies. This will increase the widespread requirement of cybersecurity by companies that will be paying more than ever to land highly skilled cybersecurity professionals in order to secure their vulnerable assets from cyber attacks.
Please subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell for more cybersecurity tips. Thank you.